Welcome to Immature Designer. In this tutorial, we will be learning things about Figma. Anyone who just want to make simple designs, want to get started in Figma, I'm giving all the basic needs you need to know for working on Figma. So when you're getting started with Figma, you'll see a screen like this. So my screen is kind of messed up because I've made various projects. Your screen will have very less less tabs over here because you will be having just started with Figma. I have done various projects, so all the things are over here. So when you get started, you just have to go to this draft option and you can get started with working on Figma. So we'll go in one draft. When you click on the plus sign, you can just go in one new design file, and then a new design file will appear on your screen. So this is your untitled file. So first thing that you should be doing is that you should write, give a name to your file. So from the rename option, you can give name to your file. So this is a tutorial file. Okay, now let's see that there is a left panel, a right panel, and a top panel. Okay, so on the left panel you will have all the layers. If you have worked on Photoshop, it will be very easier for you, but I suppose that you haven't. So you'll be having all the layers on the left panel. All the different options regarding the design options or the prototyping options will be available on the right panel. So all the different things where you need to jiggle into options, jump from one option to another and see if what is working well, everything is on the right panel. And on the left panel you'll just have the layers. You can rename the layers, you can move the layers up and down, you can turn off and on the layers and see how things are working. So that's what is the left panel for. Now the topmost panel is where you are getting different options, like all the frames that you create, different shapes, pen tools, text options. So once you choose the text option, the thing that are related to the text option will appear on the right panel. Similarly, when you choose a rectangle, things which are related options through which you can manipulate this rectangle, all the options appear on the right panel. So every time you make something on the deck thing, one thing comes over here and things come over here. These are the options how you can manipulate this rectangle, and this is the rectangle itself, right? So that's how the left and right panel works. On the topmost panel also you're seeing the sharing option, how to move on to the developer mode and what happens over there, going to your prototype view, and then sharing the files with other, giving the access to different people. All those things are over here on the top panel. So that's, now when you're making a rectangle, you see when this rectangle selected, then this top there on the top you get some more options like making the components or mask tools, editing the objects. So again, that thing appear when you selected this. So things appear, small things come over here as well, which are very frequently used. That's why they have given a separate option right above there. Okay, so this was a starting point of your Figma. Like when you jump into a new untitled file, these are the things that you will see, and these are the different information that you know when you start a new file, when you're getting started. This is the basic thing that you must know while getting started, because if you don't know how the panels work, what things happen over there, you won't be able to work properly. This is your platform where you're working, and you, before working on the platform, you should understand the platform. So I suppose that you have understood how what all things are there on this particular platform. Now in the different short videos, I'll be explaining all the different things that this platform is giving to you, the different tools that the platform is giving to you to work upon your designs. Thank you.